möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha ice and little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänsterhand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Och du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Som dig baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan. Varför du med annan? Kom var med mig baby. Aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan, jag vill ha min chakarinna. Mosa och säg ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you. 100 gubbar klart jag die for you. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Visa mig vart du finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom då, det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet inte om ni kör det. Skön social smuggle lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vart du finns, yeah. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig.
Oh, so by FX, since you add your steady trade to the moon, where did you get out at? Like you got out at that supply? I actually thought you didn't check the trade because when we got 50 pips, I was looking for you. I didn't see you in the chat.
Good morning, guys.
Oh, good morning, PyFX. When did you get out of that US30? You got out of the supply?
Yeah, just till it tapped into the supply. Yeah, around. I went break even relatively early, but it just never came back. It was really good.
Yeah,
Really good trade.
It just kept going. It pulled
Nice
back.
way to finish the day.
It kind of like did a small retracement when it got to 100 pips, which was 1,000 points, and then continued pushing up after that.
Yeah, it was beautiful. Beautiful trade.
I didn't know you trade US30 actually.
I only just started. Started looking at it, and I still haven't worked out the lot size. So the win was good, but not that great.
A win is a win.
Yeah, definitely. It was just nice to see some blue numbers.
Man, it felt good yesterday though, with that US30 trade after the way GJS treated us.
I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah, saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. How you guys doing? I hope you guys had a good trading day yesterday. Man, what a rough month it has been. But we're still here. We're still standing. You feel me? We keep going. Very rough February.
Sun don't shine when you go away. Baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah, need to know that you okay. Okay, with everything I gave up for you, did it for love.
So real quick, guys, even though this demand here is holding in gold right now, I'm not interested in taking buys here. I'm gonna wait until we wait for this and then a push, or if we come down here, reject, then we'll take buys from down here. But this range here, I'm not interested in anything for now until I see something different. So for now, we either need to break below this 15-minute minor support or this demand, and then come back to this next demand, tap it and reject, then I'll look to take buys from there. But as of right now, gold is still bullish, and we're also still bullish on a higher time frame. And we have this beautiful gap to fill, so we'll see what happens here. Good morning, Ali. Good morning. I don't know how to pronounce your name, so I'm not gonna mess it up. Something store. Good morning. Good morning, Anthony. Good morning, Irene. Oh, that's because oh, you said screen is now okay. Oh yeah, the screen wasn't showing because I had the I guess intro playing. We got PPI today for gold, for USD, so we'll see if we're gonna get some volume with gold today. Did London open already? No, we got one more hour for London open. It's not open yet. You got this email saying changes in trading hour. No, that's not until and I think it's for the US. Let me check. That's not until that's not until March 10. For the US, it's daylight savings, so that's not today. Ooh. Mr. K, man, so what I'm about to say, this is not just with GJ. Literally, every single loss that I've taken this month, the trade eventually went my way, including on Wednesday, the GJ buys we took. If you guys remember the GJ buys, we got stopped out and then the trade went our way. Yesterday, with the VIP London session, we took GJ's sells twice. We lost again, and then it went our way. So, because of that, I am completely done with GJ. I'm just going to stick with gold, and then either US 30 or NAS 100 during NY session. I'm completely done with GJ. That's the story of my trading this month. Every single loss that I had eventually went my way, will stop me out, and then start going my way. Every single loss. It's so frustrating and annoying, but you know, this is what trading is. and yesterday was Thursday, right? And then on Wednesday, New York session, gold did the same thing. Stopped us out and then went our way. Every single loss this month. That's what has been happening to me. Need to know my strategy. I just trade supply and demand, and I just combine it with support and resistance. That's all. Yeah, Soccer 360, I know, right? Yeah. But this time I'm not doing it anymore. Like, I'm completely done with GJ. I'm not trading it anymore. No, that's why you don't do GJ, Nicholas. Yeah. Yeah, like right now, even though my overall win rate for the year is 64, you wait before this month ends, that win rate will be in the high 70s, if not 80s. I would say 80s, but that's gonna be me pushing it because of how London session has been lately. If not, I'm just gonna push it to like 80s. Because last month, we started okay, but in the end, we finished January with 80% win rate, which was great. So we'll see what happens with February, but February has not been good. But that's trading 101. If you've been in this game for long, then you'll know. It's only the beginners that won't understand. Yeah, FX, but they be sending those messages too early though. If price breaks 2002.6 and close, that's your sell 2002. What? Well, I ain't selling at no freaking 2002. And Michael, I'm gonna tell you why I won't be selling at 2002. First of all, we are bullish on a higher time frame. That's number one. Number two, you have potential gap fill here to the left. That's number two. Number three, you broke this structure. You broke this structure. Now, when we broke this structure, price now did what? Price created a high, a higher low, right? Now, when we created this low, yes, we did fail to create a new high because this high right here this low right here failed to create a new high. So we've not created a higher high as of yet, which is okay. But when we created this high right here, price now created the low, right? Price now created the low. That's me looking at it on the bullish side. Now, if I'm looking at it on the bearish side, I'll say, okay, we created this high, and then we say, okay, we created this low, this lower low, right? So we created this lower low, then we now created this lower high, which is 100% valid, because if this high had actually closed above, then that's completely invalid. So we created a lower high here, and now we failed to create a new low. Because since if we're saying this is our previous lower low, this is our previous lower high, then the new lower low should be down here, breaking this low. But no, we did not create a lower low. We just created a low, which is a higher low. That's what we have. We still have a bullish structure because price decided to create a support here, created this high, and now rejected this previous support right here. So if you want to sell below 2002, well, hey, good luck to you, because I'm looking for buys right somewhere right here for me to take the bullish continuation. If price does not break below 1998, I'm not interested in sales. That's me. And if it breaks below 1998, depending on how gold falls, I might get in a sell. But if we keep coming down, give me a second. But if we keep coming down, I'll be looking for buys and this demand here, because you still have that bullish structure. That's what we have. We do not have a bearish structure right now, and we are bullish on the higher time frame. So for me, as of right now, I'm not interested in selling gold. That's me. And that's all. You have to read the structure and the momentum before you can make a decision on your bias. We don't have a bearish structure here. We still got a bullish structure.
She got that vibe, she got that go-go. Ooh. She mesmerized with her eyes when she's so close. Yeah.
Oh, Nicholas, you don't trade GJ anymore?
I be right beside you when you're lonely. How you be swinging with that body, put it on me. Want you be the body in my story.
With GJ yesterday, we were unlucky. Yeah, we caught in the UK and oh, really? A recession. So they increased interest rate, which pushed the pound up. Just one of those days. Yeah. Damn. UK is in a recession? Dude, I think we are.
Oh yeah, I read
too.
that. UK and Japan both announced recession.
I heard of the Japan one, I didn't hear the UK one. Thank you, Adi. You said we got you before you light your joint and go silent. Wait, do I go silent after smoking? I thought that's actually when I talk. After I smoke.
I don't know.
Well, I guess he's right then. Maybe I do go silent. No, I disagree. No, I disagree, Adi. I talk more when I smoke. I talk more when I smoke. Yep, you see? At least you agrees with me. Saying bad words all the time too. You stopped trading it a long time ago, man. You deleted GJ from your list, all right? Yep, GJ is over. We're gonna keep trading gold, NAS, and US30. NAS has been kind of trash lately too, though. Even though NAS rejected the demand we were talking about yesterday, though, in NY session, man, the move was so choppy to the upside compared to US30. Did you see that? Wow.
No, I'm going to take a look.
Right here. Oh, I still have it. I still have it there. You see this demand right here? Look at this. What the heck is all this right here before it pushed up? Now look at US30. I think I deleted US30. Oh, no, it's still there. Now look at US30. Very clean. We took a buy right here. And look at this thing. PyFX said he cut this all the way to the supply.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. I'm like, damn. No, Anton. And don't talk to me about any GBP pairs. Most of all, GJ. I don't want to hear it.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh,
Hey, Alex, how you doing?
you know just what you doing.
Yeah, come on, go. Just hurry up. Push up, push up, push up. Push up, man. Break this high before London open.
Breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight. And I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur.
I think gold will retest 2,000 before coming up. It's possible. It's possible.
Yeah, I can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent of the way, got her brain
Good morning, Ali, and thank you.
hard to ignore. Sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type. Nothing else matching your type. Yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. And when you give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur.
What do I think about order flow footprint strategy? And I don't know what that is, Michael. I have no idea. Wow. What's order flow footprint strategy? Do you recommend it?
I mean, we've talked about before. It's good, but damn, it's a lot to look at. The order flow, every time someone buys and sells, you can see it. So much to look at.
Well, you had that, Michael? I don't know what that is. I'm good with my supply and demand. You want to see a choke? Oh, that's ICT right there. Considering golds and daily resistance. No, you're good, Michael.
You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And me if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. And you brought the days to my
After the session, so remember I was saying we might take a intraday trade yesterday.
Yeah.
So on one of my challenge, because I didn't trade on it. Remember I don't trade US30 on my challenge account and funded account. So on one of the challenges I'm doing, I took this buys on the 1 hour. I wanted to leave it, so I took it because on the 1 hour we rejected this 1 hour demand, so I took it above this bearish candle. I wanted to leave it running, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just freaking close this. So I got out at 40.
Oh, nice.
I should have left it though, but I need to summon that courage to just let the trade run. I don't have the courage yet. I don't have the what do you call it? The psychological is it capability to hold the trade. Not yet. I need to slowly build it up. I know what you mean, Matt. I know what you mean. I just don't call it that, so. And guess what the stop loss was? Only 1 hour, just 35. I'm like, damn, you ain't volatile today at all.
I was gonna be like, man, is it like 100 or something?
No, it was just 35 deep stop loss. Because I had the stop loss right below this bearish candle. Because if it breaks this bearish candle, it's over with. I'm waiting for London Open to take a trade. Yes. Did any of you trade Asian session today?
No.
Well, Skidabit here. Qdabit is the one that trades Asian. Oh, it's not. I just want gold to break 2008 before 2008, 2009 before London opens, and it's got just 31 minutes to do that. I don't think that's gonna happen though, but we'll see. Do I consider higher time frames? Oh yes, I do. I'll stick to the 30. Yes, I consider higher time frame, but when it comes to my supply and demand zones, I use the 1 hour, 30 minutes, and the 15 minutes supply and demand zone often than I use the 4 hour. And the reason why I do that is because when you're marking your chart, right, using support and resistance, you don't just focus on the, for example, let's say I'm trading, like I take my entries on the 15 minute, right? I'm not going to just mark up my support and resistance zones using the 15 minute time frame alone. No, I'm going to go from the higher time frame. For me, I start from the daily. Now, since I'm doing that with support and resistance, why am I not doing that with my supply and demand zones too? Because if you trade supply and demand zones, I'm pretty sure, if you've been trading it for a while, I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of times price would not reject a 15-minute demand or supply. Instead, it will reject a 30-minute or a 1 hour or the 4 hour. And then you right there sitting right there like, oh man, damn, price didn't come back to my freaking demand zone. No, it actually did. It rejected a higher time frame zone. And that's one of the reasons why I do not believe in, what's this thing called again? It's by ICT, fair value gap. Fair value gap. You think it's the freaking fair value gap because you're looking at it at the time frame you're freaking trading on. If you go to the freaking higher time frame, you see that no, it was no freaking fair value gap. It rejected a higher time frame demand zone or a supply zone. That was what happened. Not no freaking FVG or whatever it's freaking called. Hey, everything I just said is just my own opinion. That is what I do. I'm entitled to my own opinion. So that's all.
Man, this guy's an ICT hater.
No, I'm not. I don't agree with what he did, does not mean I'm hating. I'm not hating. And everything that I just said, I can back it up. Shit, I don't even have to back it up. You go do it yourself and you see that I'm right. That's it, man.
I think you just need to open your eyes to the silver bullet, you know?
So ICT, all I can say is dude was just creative. That's all. That's all that I give him kudos for. But what it teaches is just remake. That's it. It's just a remake. Everything was already there. Freaking order block. Shit is freaking supply and demand. He just changed the name and called it order block. It was already there. The freaking choke. He called it change of character. It's freaking break of structure. It's already there. If price break minor high, break minor lows, or major high, major lows, he called it choke. Price break, he broke high or he broke lows. Just call it what it is. So I give him kudos for his creativity. That's all. Aside from that, everything was just a remake. All my own opinion. Why don't I join the Robins? I don't know who the Robins is. I don't know who that is. Look, business content. I'm not saying I'm better than anyone. That's why I said this is just my own opinion. I'm not hating on him. All I'm saying is he was just being creative. That's all. Everything he did was just a remake. That's it. Before ICT came, who was talking about order block? No. What is freaking order block? Order block is the same thing as supply and demand. What's the difference? It's the same. There is no difference. It just sounds cool. That's all. I've seen ICT traders, they've come here to my channel and tell me, oh, you're waiting for price to get to that order block, and I'd be like, nope, I'm waiting for price to get to demand or supply. That tells you it's freaking the same thing. There is no difference. And like I said, the fair value gap thing, go back and look. Mark up your supply or demand, maybe on the 5-minute or on the 15-minute, and then backtest it. Price didn't get to your demand, so you see that, oh, there's a fair value gap over here, but we see where that fair value gap is. Go to the higher time frame, maybe the 1 hour or the 4 hour. You will see that price rejected a demand or a supply zone. Go and do that right now. Oh, the block is a zone. The Robins is a trading tournament. Hey, if they contact me and want me to take part in it, I'll freaking do it. I'm not scared.
Wow, I think that's the one that ICT failed multiple times.
Shit, they contact me, I'm down. I'll freaking do it. I ain't scared of no trading tournament. What's there to be scared of? No, Professor X. No, I don't hate ICT. I don't hate him at all. I respect him, and I give him kudos for his creativity. That's all.
Ain't no other girl hotter than you, girl, you next up. All we gotta do, we could pick up where we left off. Always wanted you, baby, we can be.
I go and join with 10K account. What the hell? Man, I'm not doing that. He's in it this year, okay.
Oh, that reminds me. I saw a video maybe like 2 days ago. It was that Wisdom guy. He did like some sort of like trading competition with like funded traders that are popular or whatever on YouTube or something.
Mm-hmm.
And then he got like a team of 5 and another team of 5 to compete against each other with like 50K funded accounts, and dude, they suck. They all suck. Like 3 of them blew their account.
Oh, I think I know the video you're talking about. I think they were just doing it for fun.
Still,
I think some of them took it serious and some of them didn't. So it just, when I watched that video, it just let me realize the ones that are actually competitive and the ones that are not. And stuff like that, man, I'm gonna take it serious. 'Cause I want to win.
yeah,
I want to
exactly.
freaking win. See, I don't care if I don't care if you give me freaking $1 million account to freak shit. Man, you might see me using freaking 5 lots on $1 million account. I want to freaking win.
Yeah, I'm like, even if, it's a competition, you might not want to take it seriously, but still, it's like, I'm not here to lose, Like, what the fuck?
Edwin said if I get $1 million account, I'm gonna just withdraw the money. You just withdraw the money? Mm-hmm. If you have a 4-hour supply zone and the imbalance after a structural shift, see that as a high probability zone? Yes, I do. Let's see end of 2024 if you post to bidding Larry Williams returns. Larry Williams, I don't even know who that is. Larry Williams, who's Larry Williams? That's a trader? Oh, Larry Williams. Larry Williams trades stocks? Oh, stocks and commodity trader. Oh, okay. I don't know. This dude looks like someone that have been trading for. Ooh. Jeez. This dude looks like someone that has been trading for freaking 40, 50 years. I don't know. I don't know if ICT is going to beat this dude. I don't know if ICT is going to be that dude. But who knows? But wait, the tournament is for a whole year?
Yeah.
What type of tournament is that?
Is that even a tournament? That's like you trading for real.
Mm-hmm. Like shit, are they gonna freaking give me my money? All the profit I made? If the tournament is lasting for a whole year? ICT made trading complicated. That's true. That is why ICT is not for beginners. That's why a lot of people that went through the course and struggled is because they're beginners. If you're a beginner, ICT is not for you at all. Because you'll be like, man, what the hell is this dude saying? You got to have some type of experience before you go and take ICT's course. It's too complicated. That's why in this industry, you get to pick your poison. Do you want to go the complicated route or you want to go the simple route? You get to pick your poison. It's your decision. You have two choices: complicated or simple. What am I thinking about the Forex funded? You mean the Forex funder? Is that what you mean? This is a hedge fund potential recruitment tournament. You with your guys don't know anything about this. Well, okay. I'm not gonna go trade for a hedge fund and then be on a salary cap. Nah. But if the company is willing to retain my services, pay me salary, and I can still trade on my own, then oh yeah, then I'll take it. As long as I can trade on my own. But most of these companies, even banks, you can't trade on your own. I mean, that's what I heard. I don't know if it's true or not, but that's what I heard. For the Forex funder, I mean, you can go to their Discord. I'm not funded with them yet, but you know they pay out. The highest payout I've seen in their Discord, I mean, that was because I think the dude had $1 million account, and he made a withdrawal of damn, how much was it again? I think 20 grand. That was the highest withdrawal I've seen. So I mean, they're paying out. What was the trading competition video? You have the name? Wow. Oh, I think it's called Robin's Tournament. Yeah, Matt. Yeah, that's good. When you learn a strategy from someone, you still have to find your own edge using that strategy. Come on, Gold. I need you to break 2008 or 2009 before London Open.
Me like it. Every time you wake up, stunning with no makeup. Me like it. How you call my name up? Got me feeling way up. Me like
I need to come up with some names. You guys give me some names. What name should I call break of structure? Give me some name. So I can blow up on YouTube. So I can blow up. Wow, give me a name. Wow.
I'm blank. You put me on the spot.
breakup structure. What should we call it? No, PyFX, use your mic. Watermelon. Alicia said roof breaker. He said roof breaker. Oh man, you guys are cracking me up. QW said dragon punch. Oh man. Rocket. Man. Go there, puzzle. Let's take this back to the 1 hour. Kaboom. Won't you be my number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one. Won't you be my number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one. Well, it's time for some ganja. I'm gonna prove to you that I talk more when I'm high. Actually, I smoked earlier already. That's probably why I'm talking today. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. This was the one I was smoking earlier. I didn't finish it, but I'm gonna finish it now. And I'm gonna light up another one. It's TGIF, damn it. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah. Hope you don't mind if I give you. In fact, there's one more thing. I'm gonna go grab a can of beer. It's TGIF. You're welcome to party with me. Hey, shit, let's party and make some money. Let's go, everybody. If you drink, go grab your drink. If you smoke, hey, go grab that smoke. Let's freaking party. Afrobeat is playing in the background. Let's go. It's Friday. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, no, she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind. Let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah. Just wanna call on you. I they go ball without you. I just say bye, then I miss you. Wanna control what I do. She's such a beauty with issues. Baby, we can make
make it so simple right now, yeah. Something in your past must be weighing you down, down. So your attitude, they be bossy. Feeling like the past keep on pulling back. Baby, me no longer the old me. I do anything just to hold you. Maybe you too bossy, bossy.
I got me some Dos Equis right now. So Spanish. Ooh.
Can't treat the love like a payback. Working on the trust, so I get that. Nothing come close to my baby. You've been through a lot, hate to see you down, down, yeah. Only thing that matter is we got now, now. So your attitude, they be bossy.
You're from Jamaica and you're forming clouds right now. Let's go. Let's go. Somebody the other day told me, why am I smoking weed and stream? That's not professional. I'm like, man, I don't care. This is who I am. I'm not gonna change for nobody. I'm not working for no one. I make my own damn money. I can do whatever I freaking want. This is who I am. You see that, you like it or you don't. It is what it is. I don't care. I ain't changing for no one.
Yeah, into me.
Thank you, Xauusd. You won't take a trade. You won't take a trade with me with this combination of highness. You good, Ben? Or if we take a trade, just be in the sideline. Drunk trading will be an entertaining sim. Oh, nah. I ain't gonna get drunk off of one can of beer. I don't even drink as much as I used to anymore. When I was in my early 20s, I was still in Nigeria back then. So, and I used to work at a barber shop. I had already stopped boxing at this period in my life. So every night, me and my friends, we had this bar, but it was also a club, and the manager of that bar usually comes to our barber shop to cut his hair. So it's either me or my friend that will cut his hair. So we usually go there every freaking night. And a lot of people in that neighborhood comes to our barber shop too to cut hair. So even if I don't have money, or if my friends don't have money, we will still get drunk because there are a lot of people in that club or bar that knows us. So we will get drunk. I'm talking freaking, we'll have freaking like 5-6 crates of beer, and like 4 of us will freaking finish the whole thing and then still go home. I used to drink. I don't do that anymore. You know, that was in my 20s. Now, you know, I'm more chill, calm, you know, just have a few drinks. But this right here, weed, oh yeah, that weed, yeah, I smoke that every day. Oh yeah, morning, afternoon, night, midnight, early morning. I'm a stoner. I'm not really a drinker. I did that in my 20s. I don't drink that much anymore. Just a few drinks here and there.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it.
When you smoke weed, you go out of consciousness. That's because you've not found the right one for you. You need friends around to smoke weed. You go in bad tip if you do it a lot. Oh, so cute a bit. When I first started learning how to box, I was actually heavyweight. But no, I take that back. Not when I first started learning how to box. It was when I decided to go professional. So when I decided to go professional, I had to go to the, we call it the, you're Nigerian too, so you know. So I had to go to the National Stadium in Lagos. And that's where you have all the, ex, boxers and stuff. So I had to go there. And then when I got there, they told me that I need to reduce my weight because right now my weight is heavyweight. I need to get down to at least light heavyweight. So I had to watch what I ate. I had to train so freaking crazy until I actually reduced my weight to light heavyweight. So that was my category until I stopped. So I was light heavyweight. The first time my coach saw me, he was like, man, you're going to need to reduce your weight because if you go with this weight, they'll just be beating you up like crazy. So you need to get this weight down. And that's what I had to do. I actually had two professional coaches. The crazy part is I don't even remember their names. I had one in National Stadium, Surulere, and there was this, I can't remember what it's called. There was this place, it was like a sports center. It was at, it was at a place called Yaba. I can't remember what it's called. It's a very, very known sports center in Yaba. That's where even amateur boxers go there, professional boxers go there. So I had two professional coaches. That was why I was a killer. I was a monster. You get in a ring with me, if you last 4 rounds, you have a chance of beating me. If you don't last 4 rounds, oh, I'm sorry. You gone. You dead. If someone had told me that I would be a trader, I would have told them, you're lying. There's no way in hell. Boxing, I was so passionate about it, but the Nigerian government discouraged me and I quit. If I came to America at a very young age, or while I just started learning how to box, I would have been a boxer. Nigerian boxing needs me. Oh no, they don't. They don't need me. Oh, London is open. And now we rejected again. What's my professional boxing record, and when can we see a clip on stream? Unfortunately, I don't have that. I don't have no clip or nothing. But as far as my record goes, I had 29 wins. I had 29 wins, 2 losses, and the rest was, I had, wait, let me make sure I'm remembering this correctly. Where's my phone? I don't want to be wrong. A second. Okay, yeah. 29 wins, 3 losses. As far as the knockout goes, I know the knockout was a lot. I just don't remember how many the knockout was, because you're talking about, did I stop boxing? I stopped boxing in 2010. 2010 till now, that's what, 14 years ago? Am I right? Because I suck at math. Yeah. Someone help me out. 2010 till now, that's 14 years ago, right?
Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure.
Hey Zay, how you doing? Long time. How long have I been trading as a profession? So I started trading full-time 2020. And honestly, I started trading full-time. I pretty much took a gamble. And fortunate for me, it worked out. I never had to go back to a 9 to 5. Anton, you must be, wait a minute, are you Nigerian? Because I need to ask at this point. You talk about Nigeria more than me. And I was born there. I'm high yourself. No, I'm actually not. The Nigerian government is something else. Yeah, man. Not just Nigeria alone, the whole freaking African continent. The government in the African continent, they're just some freaking greedy people. Greedy people with no fear of God in them. Just a bunch of greedy people.
Looking like we're getting something started today. Cause our body no play. Tell them girl levels to the glow.
With all the mineral resources in Africa, all the trade they do, where's all that money going? As rich as the African continent is, yet it's still not what it's supposed to be because of the freaking government. Corruption is everywhere. I'm not saying it's not everywhere, but in Africa, corruption is on a whole nother level. It's on a whole nother level. Okay, it's time to ask trading questions. Let's talk about something else. African resources is another story, yeah. Story, yeah.
Such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down, down, down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine?
You guys thought Buhari was the worst, but Tinubu is proving us wrong. You on a sell from 2005? 2005. Ah, man, I don't know why you would take a sell here. Man, I don't know what to tell you. What do you think? If you want to close it, close. If you want to hold it, hold. I'm not going to tell you what to do in regards to that. If I was even going to take anything right there, it's not even going to be a sell. It would have been buys because that's what the structure is. You're welcome, David. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay Excuse me.
Amaru, make it fire. Yeah, me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be. You define what true beauty is all the way. So divine, God must took a long time to make you. Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, hey.
Nice song. All right.
When you talking about my baby, I'm out of words every time that she whining for me. For me, eyes only, body in motion, but her eyes on me. Her ex-boyfriend sent the guys on me. Turn around when they saw the 9 on me. Hey.
We have at least 120 plus people here right now. Come on, guys, just smash the like button. Get me 200 likes. You guys have refused to get me 200 likes at least.
Searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place. Girl, you've been searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place, yeah. I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, I'ma be right here, girl, right next to you. Surfing in the wrong way. Surfing.
It looks like it looks like we got we got a little bit of volume here today. Are we in any trade? No, we're not.
Girl, I realize all I need is you. can never get enough. Say she on way down. Yeah. Always down.
You only said decision until 2001. Yep. I hope he falls for you. Yes. Price rejected once, twice. So I hope if it comes down, it just breaks through for you. You high. You haven't been on chance at all this week. Wow. Jordan took you out. A winning trade leverage just wasn't there. Oh man. Yeah, February has not been February has been tough for us too. I was saying in the beginning of the stream how all the losses we had this week, I mean not this week, this month so far, they all turned out to be winners. Price will just stop us out and then bam, start going in that direction. You guys also experienced it here on stream. That's the only time you guys experienced it on stream, which was on Wednesday when we took GJ buys. You guys saw what happened afterwards. Price pushed up. So that's what has been happening to us this month so far. If gold breaks that 30-minute resistance, what's my TP? You're looking at 2012, 2027 area. Is that where the supply is? Yeah. Yeah. It could potentially get there, but we might experience some pullback here, and we might experience another pullback here as well. So these two previous support zone could experience some pullbacks from there, but it's not going to be a deeper pullback. And if gold eventually breaks above 2028, I would like it more if we can just push up aggressively and then find some rejection around 2011 for price to pull back to our demand zone, and that is where we're going to look to take buys, take the continuation buys, and you can have a TP at around 2016. Yeah, at around 2016. And have a TP one right there. If it breaks 2016, then eventually we should get back to this. This is a 1 hour supply, so we should get back there to complete the gap. I don't think that's going to happen today. Excuse me, guys. I don't think that's going to happen today, except if CPI, pushes price up, then we could reject this supply and start falling again. We're gonna need crazy volume for price to get back to this supply today, and CPI could do that. That's the news we have today, right? Is it CPI? PPI, sorry guys, PPI. Yeah, sometimes PPI has crazy volume, sometimes it does not. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Yeah, PPI added. Really mad. Market makers watching me.
Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my.
Oh man, I want to go to break these highs before London Open. Damn, Zoom, you guys are really quiet today. What's going on?
I'm here, bro. Just enjoying the Friday tunes, Friday vibe.
At least you high yourself. Oh yeah. I said I was hoping that gold will break this high before London Open. That was what I said. Oh, you meant you high. Oh, okay. Anton, it's not that gold does not move during London session. It moves. The only difference between trading gold during London session and trading gold during NY session is the volatility. That's actually the main difference is the volatility. Now, during New York, you have you have high volume and high volatility when you trade gold during New York. During London, you have low volume and low volatility. That's why you see that when you trade gold during London and trade it during New York session, the volatility is definitely different because your stop loss will be different. Your stop loss during New York is not going to be the same during London. It's always going to be higher. That's because of the volatility. And yes, the volume is also different as well. You got high volume during New York and high volatility during New York when you trade gold. During London, you have low volatility and low volume. It does not mean you cannot trade it during London session. I've traded it during London session many times. Made money, lost money, but I made more than I lost. So that's that. That's the difference. And for me personally, probably because I'm a scalper, I prefer high volume and low volatility. That is what I prefer. You don't use his strategy, but hey, makes him money. Who you guys talking about, Zay? New York this month has been giving more volume. Yeah, true. For the most part. Have I ever considered trading US 30? Yes, we've been trading US 30. We traded US 30 yesterday though in New York. We've been trading US 30. Oh, ICT. Why don't I trade stocks? Well, because when I first started, I started with Forex. I don't have time to trade stocks. Yeah, Obi, I know you can trade USD down in London. I just don't like trading it at that time. I prefer trading it during NY session or after NYC. Hey, sup, Tetra FX. Thank you for hopping on, brother. Hey, real quick. I like showing love, and there are traders that I respect, and Tetra FX is definitely one of them. So, Tetra FX streams on YouTube as well. So after my stream, Tetra FX should be on. It trades, I think, not the beginning of London, but I think a few hours after London, up until pre-NY. So you guys can catch him on there. He's a scalper as well, and he's a good trader too. So you guys can tap into his stream as well. I recommend him. US30 is king. Yeah, US30 is nice. It's nice. You didn't get profitable until you started trading the equity indexes. Currency pairs just a waste of time. I actually agree with you. I agree with you, Obi. That's one of the reasons why I'm sticking to gold. Look at my watch list. You're not gonna see any Forex pair. You see that? See gold, NAS, and US30. That's it. That's what I have.
One time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines, you missing a playtime. Girl.
Oh yeah, for sure. Gold is great, even though it has its ups and downs. But overall, gold is very good, very good. And this is one pair that I used to hate with a passion. Until one day, I decided to face my fears. And I actually didn't face my fear until I started streaming. That was when I faced my fear. And my first day, it was when I was streaming NY session. My first day getting back trading gold, I made 150 pips. Since that day, I never looked back. So sometimes, you just got to face your fears. How you remember those words? Yeah, I used to hate it.
Baby, don't you ever be afraid to fall in love with me. Let me be your parachute. Parachute. Let's fly, let's fly, let's fly.
Man, I take it back. There's no volume right now. No volume at all. Oh man, I can't wait for match.
Let's get this month over with.
You say what?
I just want to get this month over with.
Man, you and me both.
February's been a bad one.
Yeah, I used to tweet just the 5 minute, yes. I switched to the 15 in August last year. Right, Wow? That was when we switched to the 15 minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, August last year. Oh damn, hyperbolic! You've been here for a while now. You remember that? Yeah, Jewel and Prince Caleb. Yeah. Sometimes good does not respect to it as true.
I wake up, stay in my bed for a while, 'cause I don't wanna start this day off like this. No reasons to get up lately. Not giving up, I'm not ready yet. I'm falling down from the sky again. Overload, I'm insecure.
Why did I switch from 5 minute? It's because the 15 minute had a higher win rate than the 5 minute. That was why we switched.
Even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby.
Regulated brokers are a scam. Unregulated brokers offer the indices and their charts are more accurate. I actually disagree with that.
'Cause otherwise you'll pull me way down with you. You're not gonna become a habit. I'm not letting you tell me how to be. And make my way till you let me free. Overload, I'm insecure. Set me free. And it just doesn't seem like me. Making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby.
And a lot of these brokers that we say are quote unquote unregulated, some of them are actually regulated. They're just not regulated in the United States. So therefore, United States residents are not supposed to trade on those type of brokers. That's just what it is. Like my broker is regulated, but it's not regulated here in the United States. And since I'm a United States resident, I'm not supposed to be trading on that broker. I should be trading on Rwanda or Forex.com or IG because they are regulated here in the United States, which I would have gladly done, but their leverage freaking sucks. 1 to 50. And I can't trade gold. So that's a no. Oh yeah, time goes by quick. Yes, yes. Time waits for no one. So me and my younger brother, I was at his place on Sunday with his girl and daughter. We were watching the Super Bowl, just smoking, drinking, just having fun. And I was just like, man, we were talking about trading and stuff, and I was like, one thing that I wish happened to me was that I wish I had found out about trading or started trading when I was in my 20s. Till today, I still wish that's what happened, but it didn't. That's why if you're in your 20s now or below your 20s, man, you better take this shit serious, man. You don't know how lucky, how privileged you are. You don't know, because if you do, you're not gonna take this for granted. You're not gonna take it for granted. I know I look young as hell. I get that all the time, but I'm not. In a few months, I'll be 39. So, man, I wish I found this when I was in my 20s for sure. You have to go to the future side. Yeah, true, man. Yeah. Come change my life. Let's go for a ride. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride. Yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so I've been telling my brother to learn how to trade since he was like 24. When he finally said yes, last year, he was already 29. And now he's about to be 30. Man, if you're still in your 20s now, like I said earlier, man, please take this shit serious. Give it your all. If you feel like giving up, don't give up. Keep going. Because if you give up now, whatever business you decide to go do, whether it's e-commerce, Airbnb, or whatever it is, it's going to be the same thing. Because everything is not going to click right away. You're not going to start making money in the beginning. There will be ups and downs. You're going to pass through phases. So do not quit.
Shot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here.
39. I'm just a puppy. I guess I am. You learn futures and will be making the streets since you can trade gold. If you can trade Forex, you can trade futures. The only thing you just have to learn is risk management and maybe some other stuff. But as far as trading itself, trading futures, You don't need to. If you can trade forex, you can trade futures. Just have to learn like risk management, lot size, and a bunch of other stuff, and you'll be good. If I want to trade futures today, I already have a mentor. Now just all I have to do is talk to Wow, and he got me.
I gotcha.
What's the name of my broker? Name of my broker is called OX Securities. The link is in the description. And you can go to this website. It's called WikiFX. There you can search for any brokers that's regulated, and they are regulated. If Geo runs 50 pips, your study will run 200 pips or more at the same time. You're welcome, Zay.
In the morning, you got me up, all 'cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening.
There's a difference between getting your freedom financially in your 20s than getting it in your mid 30s. It's very different, because there are some stuff that you will be doing in your 20s or mid 20s that you won't do anymore by the time you get to your mid 30s. For example, clubbing. That's one of them. Another thing, freaking throwing money away. That's another thing. So, just for examples, spending money anyhow. When you get to your mid 30s, you're not going to do that. That's why if you go take a look at the Forex gurus that you see today, Forex gurus with 2 Lamborghinis at the same time, or freaking McLaren. Look at their age. Look at their age. And you wait, once they get to their mid 30s, they'll have a different mindset. Now, I'm not saying that we don't have people that have that type of mindset in their 20s, but a lot of people, they don't have that type of mindset in their 20s. And they might never develop that type of mindset, but majority of the people, their mindset shifts by the time they start getting to their 30s, mid 30s, 40s. Their mindset shifts, and they'll realize that, man, shit, I don't need all this stuff. What do I need them for? What do I need them for? Who am I trying to flex for? So that's it. For me to buy a $300,000 car, I have to have at least freaking 3 to 5 million sitting in my bank account. Sitting in my bank account. But I'm not gonna freaking have $500,000 or 1 million. Let's say I have $1 million in my account, and I decide I'm gonna go buy a $300,000 car. That's freaking 30% of my income. That's 30% of my entire assets. That does not make sense. I'm not gonna be struggling to freaking pay my bills just because I want to flex. No. I'll keep driving my Tesla and my Infinity. I will keep driving those two. If you like, you see me, you tell me, hey, daddy, they ain't got no money. That's your business. Now you sabi. Now you know.
We aim for the long run, keep on surviving in this war for no reason. Now we changing the season. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me I say storm is over now.
What's my bias on gold today? I'm actually bullish on gold. Which perfume do I recommend? The two you see on here, and I also recommend the 5%ers because I am funded with the 5%ers. Gotten payouts multiple times. Fundedness, I actually feel the challenge with fundedness already, so I feel the challenge with fundedness. I might do another one, I might not. So as of right now, I'm just only funded with the 5%ers, but I have 3 accounts with them.
You say that I don't care about you, but not in
How is the Tesla experience? Tesla is great. I love it.
all you wanna do is fight, bringing me down every night. Yeah, I think that I'd rather be alone, even though I hate when my bed is empty.
Yes, it's definitely a good car to have for sure.
So I'ma make it easy for us both, 'cause I don't even
US traders can't sign up with. Oh yeah, that's true. Yep, I can't even do another challenge with them anymore. Yes, we are 91. That's true. Yeah, I completely forgot. It's probably because I was, planning to take another one.
wasting my time trying to get you to get me, 'cause you don't want to. Yeah, get my point of view. I wonder where it all went wrong. This could have been a different song, and now I'd rather be alone. Even though I hate when my bed is empty, I don't wanna be locked up while pretending. So I'ma make it easy for us both, 'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love,
Oh, looks like the volume is kicking in now.
'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore, 'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love,
Oh, I actually have it on the 1 hour demand, not 30 minute.
that all I ever want is for you to be happy, to be happy. Never wanted this love to end up this way. about the things we can't change. Cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love,
EJ, I don't trade EJ. Oh, Logan, are you still working on the stuff we talked about? Okay. Oh, I think I'm getting high now, so time to stop smoking. Good morning, Michael. Alicio, I'm on the same level as you now. We both high. But hey, I can still see the chats. I still know what I'm doing. I know what I'm looking at. I've been doing this for years. You saw that 2005? Oh man, Michael. Well, hopefully it works out for you. When you wanna go against the trend, which is counter trend, you don't wanna do it like this. Even if this works out for you, you don't wanna make it a habit, because taking a sell right now is very, very risky. Very, very risky. But I hope it works out for you though. Good morning, Team Ganson. After it went out from the resistance, you had a bit bigger zone. Wait, did you sell it from here? From right here? Over here? Did you sell from here? Wait. Did you sell from here, or you sold from right here? Which one? This one to the left or this one to the right? Or you just took a sell right now? Oh, just now? Oh. Man, I don't see this falling. I might be wrong, but I hope you win. I'm not interested in anything, even though I'm bullish on gold. I'm not willing to take buys right now. I'm willing to start looking for buys when we actually close above 2008. Or we come back to this 1 hour demand, 30 or the 15-minute demand, reject from there. That is where I'll be looking for buys. And even if we break below 1998, depending on the setup that we get, if we keep coming down aggressively, I'm still gonna be looking for buys, expecting price to reject right here. So I'm definitely bullish on gold. Even if it falls, I don't see it. I don't see it breaking 1998. I don't see that happening. I don't even see it breaking below 2002. You sold from 2006. Like I said, those of you that sold, well, I hope you guys make some money. Because I don't see it falling, but I could be wrong. Man, yeah, I'm thinking freaking we got some action. Look at how this candle closed.
Thinking it was my fault. I was trying to give you all you need. Didn't see the blindfold. All them nights, all that time. Can't believe it was all just a game. You really took my heart for a drive. I remember when you were all in for us. I recall when you said you never loved.
So let me show you something here on the 1 hour. So looking at this on the 1 hour, right? When we created this low at 1984, right? This low at 1984. This low created this high, right? This high at 2008. Now, this low was the move that broke this resistance. Okay, now when we created this high, now we formed a higher low right here. Okay, we formed a higher low right here, and now price has refused to break below the previous higher low that was formed. So as long as the previous higher low, right, is not broken, we are still bullish. We are still bullish. And not only that, if we look at the sell side, but this time I'm going to go to the lower time frame so you can see it clearly. If we go to the 15-minute, and we look at the sell side. So when we created this high, and then we created this low. This is us looking at the sell side. Now we looked at the buy side. Now the sell side, we created this lower low, right? And then price created this lower high because this high failed to break above the previous, major high. So we have a lower high here and we have a low here. We have a minor low, but we do not have a major low because we did not break below 1998. Therefore, this high does not have a new lower low. So all we have is a first lower low, lower high. We do not have that bearish structure, because in order for us to have a bearish structure, price needs to create a lower low. We do not have that yet. Okay, now since price from this low here, now this low that was formed pushed price up, and now price formed another minor resistance right here. Now this resistance came down, rejecting the previous low. So this right here is still a higher low that's still being formed, and then we came there back down there, rejected it again. So there is no bearish structure here as of right now. That's why I'm just, praying for those of you that took the sell. Now, I'm not saying this cannot fall if it wants to. Yes, it can, but taking a sell from here is just a risky trade for you to take, because there is nothing here, at least to me, signifying sells here. All I see is buys. That's all I see. There is no lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high structure being formed here. All we still have is higher highs and higher low, and then we're in a range right now. We're pretty much in a range. I trade ranges too, but not this type of range. Not this type of range.
Tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love.
You completely agree with me? Well, thank you.
Give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la.
Was I screaming just now? I felt like I was screaming. Was I too loud?
No, bro. No.
Nah,
You sounded good.
that was funny. I'm praying for you guys.
I'm just high. I could have been said, nah, the message was loud.
What's going on? What's going on in the tube?
Thank you, Trading Strategy.
Man, Kill the Beats on YouTube too. Are you?
Oh,
you're
yeah.
an admin.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's a mod on YouTube. Wal is a mod too, but Wal is scared of YouTube trolls.
Troll Patrol.
I'm only there when Kill the Beat's not
Oh yeah,
not
that's
there. I
true.
take over.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh man, I can see King on YouTube. Oh, you're a handsome man.
Uh-oh. I don't know if I should take that compliment or not.
You should. You should.
I needed to come from a female. You're not taking buys or sell, just waiting and set up, and then comes New York session, take the trade. Yeah, the setup might come during New York sessions. We might just range here because of PPI. If we range here and then PPI comes and we fall and you're in a sell, you just got lucky. The news helped you. That's what happened. The news helped you.
And I would love that gap to be filled today.
Man, that's yeah. The news might do that. The news might do
Yeah.
that. But man, that's gonna be sheesh.
I know that's huge, huge move, but
That's gonna
any
be
part of it would be
huge.
great.
If it was like FOMC, CPI, NFP, then it might be like, yeah, probably we might do that. But PPI, I don't know. Which gap? This one right here to the left. You got it on all time frames. Wait, except the 5. I don't think we got it on the 5 minute. We have it on the 5 minute. Oh yeah, we got it on the 5 too. All freaking time frames. That's beautiful. Best way to trade is to look for those reversal patterns, pretty much. And I would really be honest with you guys. And what I'm about to say, I'm not knocking off any other strategy. All strategy works for sure, no doubt. All strategy works, but among all the strategy, however many it is, supply and demand is the best. It's number one. I don't care what anyone says. Say this before in my VIP. Like, if you want to invest in anything, be it freaking stocks or crypto, you do not buy a stock when it's freaking high. You do not buy. That's not the way to invest. You buy when it's freaking low. You buy it low and then you sell it high. That is how you invest. And that is how you trade supply and demand. In my own opinion, that is why supply and demand is number one when it comes to trading. Because that's how you invest in the world of finance. Every other strategy does work, no doubt. But among them all, supply and demand is at the top.
But lately you've been acting like a ghost and never answer when I hit your phone. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should.
Even when you go buy stuff, whatever it is, any product, or maybe you go grocery shopping, you rather want to buy that stuff when it's cheap. You don't want to buy it when it's expensive. Am I wrong or right? You would rather buy that stuff when it's cheap, not when it's expensive. That's how money, money, that's how money is. That's how you make money. That's how you save money.
Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said.
That's why the way I trade, I decided to combine supply and demand with support and resistance. That's how I trade. I've sold that support and I've bought at support and I've sold that resistance multiple times before. If that's the setup I see. And if it's a supply or demand setup I see, I'll take it. Caught a trade yesterday of 5 minutes with supply and double top. Nice. Yes, Lamizo, that's correct.
Just because you spent
And everything that I've said previously, I'm really saying it from experience. Like, I don't think there's really a lot of strategies out there that you can name that I haven't tried. Especially when it comes to trading with indicators. I think I've pretty much used almost all of them. So I know what I'm really talking about.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe.
Supply and demand just made more sense to me when I really started learning how to invest. And I just sat down. I'm like, man, this supply and demand actually freaking makes sense. That's all.
Abe, I think you've proven that guy on YouTube 100% wrong now.
What guy?
You 100% talk more when you're high and drinking.
Yep. You see, there you go. I said it.
Oh, 100. There was never any doubt in my mind that was the case.
Yeah, I talk more when I'm high. That's how you know I'm high.
We like it. We love it. Man, I think this might be a New York trade.
Yeah, it might be. We're just ranging here. Oh yeah, Logan. We never knew the strategy was using. He never showed us the strategy was using. It was just signals. But he was sent. His trades were only 4 hours. Looks like sellers stepping in. Yeah, they're trying to.
Just accumulating those orders now, I think, and then probably just before the news, you'll see a move up or down to price it in, and then bang.
I don't know what you guys are seeing. This thing hasn't moved at all.
Oh no! I mean, at the moment it's just going to range now, but before, as we get close to news, it will start to move somewhere. Just like it did. Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
Just suddenly started moving in one direction, and then.
If we're not gonna move down in London, I actually just wanted to range, and then drop at least to 1995, 1994, and during news, and then we start to pull back up from there. That's what I would like to see.
Beautiful.
I don't want it to break. If we don't break now during London, I don't want it to break because of the news. I want it to fall. That will give us gaps to fill here between 2008 and 1994, and then gaps to fill here as well to the left. It will be easy money.
Never get enough, babe. Feels like I know you girl all my life when I'm with you. Nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back.
Opinion on Nasdaq and US Nasdaq. Oh, it's the same thing as US 100 with US 30. I don't know about DAX, but NAS and US 30, man, just keep looking for buys. I don't even need to look at the chart. Just keep looking for buys. Let it fall, pull back, then you look for buys. Because that's pretty much what both of them have been doing. They'll break all-time high, pull back, and then boom, go back high again. I used to know this dude. He trades US 30. He was the reason why I started trading US 30 in the first place before I stopped. And guess what he does? All it takes is buys. He does not take sells. You would never, ever see him take a sell on US 30. It's just buys. And dude, he be killing it.
That's smart.
I'm
Indices
talking about,
always bullish.
I'm talking about killing it. I'm like, so what did you? I was curious one day and I asked him, okay, when COVID hit and US 30 freaking sold off like crazy, what did you do? I said, I didn't trade.
Oh.
I'm like, what? I said, wow. He said he didn't trade. He said because
Man, that guy's got some discipline.
Yeah, he said because he already knew that it was going to crash. Back when Trump was popping. You think only sell at the moment until go above 2011? Interesting. Starting from next month, I might start streaming every day again. I might. Still thinking about it. Said I was gonna do it sometime last year. I didn't, so I might do it next month.
Aquí siempre a mi lado, cicatrices que has curado, cicatrices, cicatrices. Me gustan así de rica pa' que la vean. Sin dedo santo en la piel, pero esa tea yo la pongo a creer en algo. Ahora a las 7 que salgo, yo fumo Maretini. No sabe inglés, pero siempre dice roll with it. Mezcla de paisa con diosa de Santorini. Un beso tuyo más chimba que un fele. Ese es el feeling. Como pacha y no te echan yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Como pacha y no te echan yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel, yeah. La baby no es de motel, pero mal azote. Saco la camarilla, quiere que la enfoque. Quiere video conmigo para que se toque. Así es Ricky sin retoques. Contigo soy un bacán, yeah. Somos como el yin y el yang. Sin forzarlo se nota, yeah. Tú y tu curiosidad, yeah.
Damn, this one I was supply held nicely on US 30.
Como pacha y no te echan yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Como pacha y no te echan yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah.
Let me school you guys real quick.
A la única que le quiero ser fiel.
So, US 30 is still bullish, right? Now, let's say I want to trade US 30. Will I be wanting to take a sell here right now? Absolutely not. Because it's still bullish. Yes, we rejected the supply. Yes, we did. But in order for me to even think about selling this, I need us to break this low right here. If we come down aggressively and break this low right here, then I'll be expecting price to pull back to its supply before I now look to take my sell. But the fact that US 30 is still bullish, and then I have a 15-minute demand here. Maybe I even have a 30-minute demand right there, which I do, and that is what we actually rejected. Yes, we rejected the supply, but are we bullish or bearish? No, we are bullish. So, we have a 30-minute demand right there. If I go to the 15-minute, now if price should break this low right here, that means this demand did not hold. Then I can start looking for sales. But as of right now, I will be looking to take buys, and I have a demand right here. Bam. I'll still be looking for buys. This is how you trade. What about Geo? I don't trade Geo, Ali. You had your stops at B, Michael? Okay, so you're out, all right. At least you didn't lose. I don't trade GG anymore. Hell no, Roland. Hell to the no. If you're talking about GG.
There's no coming back from that.
Nah.
Nah, she be a hoe.
Nasdaq is pumping. US30 is trying to pump too. Yeah. US30 is about to follow suit. US30 should follow suit. No, Cookie, I don't trade GJ anymore. You see, I knew I'm not the only one. Ria 91 also got rid of GJ. GJ has really been trash, honestly. It's not the same anymore. GJ it's not the same anymore. Oh, wow, maybe volume is kicking in now, wow.
Thank God, let something happen.
Don't you dare freaking reject again. That was freaking break, man. Yeah, Cookie. Just recently we had 3 losses in a row, and it was all because of freaking GJ. And guess what? All the 3 losses played out. It didn't even take freaking hours before it played out. I'm talking freaking almost instantly. The trade played out. So, GJ said no. Twice yesterday with the with my VIPs, and then on Wednesday we had a buy trade on GJ during London session on stream, and we lost, and the trade eventually played out. GJ always seems to want some more money before going our way every time we took it. He just wants some more money before going our way.
Man, that was so annoying, bro. So annoying.
Very.
It just stopped us out and kept. I can't talk about her. Can't talk about it. Hurts too much.
And the three losses we had, we got out early. We managed our risk very well, because all those 3 losses would have hit stop loss if we didn't. So we managed the trade well, but was still annoying.
Sure was, but I have no doubt next week will be better.
And I hope so. I'm just waiting for March right now. I'm just waiting for March.
Looks like everyone's had a bad month though, bro. Like, look at all the other traders, all the other streamers. No one's had a very good month, I would say.
Oh, what's his name? Tetra FX. This guy, he's having a good month. I think he's only had. I saw him on stream yesterday. I think he's only had. I don't know if he's still here. I think he's only had like four or five losses this month, and he has, I think, 16 or 17 wins.
Okay.
Who's that, bro? What's his name?
Tetra FX.
I don't know that one. You know.
Yeah, you'll be on. I think you should be on in 30 minutes or an hour. He trades them then till pre-NY. Match is going to bless us, King. Yeah, I believe it. I believe it. SPY at all time, all indices. US 30 and NASDAQ, they pull back and they're gonna break the previous high again. Man, this thing rejected again. And I'm gonna go use the restroom. I thought this thing was going to break. But he rejected again. I'll be right back, guys.
Them they do too much, but you in control. Loving that about you. Me, I want it all, oh. She my baby doll, oh. Body they hot, oh. Leading out follow. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento un tío. I wanna be wherever you go. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento un tío. You got my heart and I think you know, baby girl. And I did run 1,000 days just to find you in my way. Oh, 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 oh. Nothing like you in this world. Promise never let it go. Oh, wait. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, you my only number one, got it. Even in my down times, I can get you out of my heart, sorry. Yeah. Searching away, yeah. Running around every town trying to find you, yeah. All I ever want was for you to say I do. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento un tío. I wanna be wherever you go, oh yeah. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento un tío. You got my heart and I think you know, my girl. Baby, let me hold you. Wanna make you mine tonight. Oh my, yeah. 1,000 nights searching. I won't stop till you are mine forever. And I did run 1,000 days just to find you in my way. Oh, 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 oh. Nothing like you in this world. Nothing. Promise never let it go.
You know that I can't seem to focus when you're getting close to me. We're like a broken record spinning round and round all year. I know that I can't do more. I know that you feel the same. Why do we keep playing all of these You know my friends think that I'm crazy, cause you're all that I can see. I hope that we will make it, cause I'm falling here for real. You know that I can do more, just wanna care for you, babe. Why we keep on playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you. This love, we just gotta hold on tight. Cause I know we will be alright, babe. You know that I will miss you if you leave. Cause I love you for the rest of my life, babe. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you.
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance. Baby, find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. With time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting. Done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. Cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help. Cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry. You'll find someone who wants you back. But that is not me. So give it up. Haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. Cause you haven't got the news. Or you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 girlfriend. No, 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 no.
wanna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said. Just a one-time thing, it won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Yeah, how did we end up at this place? So much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you.
Oh man. It's like that's the end of the music.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27-8. Baby, I'm a rifle, won't bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah. Only one love at the side of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart to be. Oh yeah. If you try to come closer,
Am I trading news today? Yes, I am.
before you know it, it's
But we trade after the news.
run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away. Baby, I'm
I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe.
We only have 77 likes, guys. Can we do better? Can we get at least 100 likes, guys? We get at least 100 likes.
Girl, you better walk away. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do.
We just need to get 100 likes, guys.
Never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me,
Well, you guys are doing good. We need 14 more.
battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna
Yeah, this thing is probably going to rage until the news. What's next week looking like with news? I think we have we get bank holiday on the 19th here in the US because it's President's Day. I don't know what good it's going to do that day, but we'll see. Next week, Tuesday, we got news down in NY. Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday is FOMC. Oh boy. And then Thursday, we got news again. Down in NY, PMI. And Friday, we got no news. So we still got news next week. Oh, 11 more likes, guys. 11 more. Just 11 more. More likes, guys. 11 more. You sleepy or hungry?
Oh damn, my mic's on. My bad. Fuck.
Which one is it? Hungry, sleepy?
Sleepy as hell. Jesus.
Oh, thoughts on GJ? Well, sorry, I can't help you with that one.
Éxito en los clubes. Yeah, esta vaina sí está que sube. Vamos a un baile en las nubes. Yeah, mirándote aquí arriba, te veo por abajo.
Before our candle is opened, I don't know, man. We just gonna rain here. Well, YouTube, all my links is down below in the description. If you want to trade NY session with us and also learn from me as well, trade London session with us. My link is down below in the description. All right, guys. Thank you guys for hopping on. Thank you guys for your support. God bless you all. And if you're trading NY today on your own, or you're watching another streamer, whatever it is, be very careful. All right, guys. God bless you all. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace. Oh man, all right, Zoom. Well, I'll see you guys down in New York. All right. We got just
Thanks.
just 3 hours. So I'll see you guys down in NY.
Thanks, Abe. Bye, guys. Bye.
You're welcome.
I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love they do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Yeah. Do you know she royalty? Do you know she royalty? Yeah. Do you know she royalty? Yeah. She gon' say I be that one that a girl heart racing. I did feel like with her we can take over nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a vacation. Number one bad girl, killing everything like on a mission. Girl on a mission. Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you.